I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling Hi guys, welcome back to another Vlogmas video. Today is a rainy day. I'm gonna make some breakfast for Xavier and myself and for Zaya. We want to go on the road to refill our 5-gallon bottles. Not sure where that's going because it's been raining from this morning. But hopefully after I finish look about something to eat, finish making something to eat, then we'll be able to go on the road, get the water and come back. We don't have much planned for today because of the rain. Well, we did have some plans because we wanted to go to this Christmas light, but because it's raining we can't go because can't bring Zaya in the rain. So we're just going to stay home. Well, we're just going to go on the road, refill the water, and then we're just gonna stay home. Hi guys, if you are new to our channel, my name is Rochelle. Please remember to subscribe as we're trying to reach that 1K mark. And thank you guys for watching.
You don't say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when you do, they try to destroy me. I can't come and keep myself. Plenty, so far we be face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say, I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon. All the bent, the girl them, ride the whip, I no fit, die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all the bent, the girl them, ride the whip, I know, oh I thought now. This one I can do with the jabba. Me, I no get time at the jabba. The cover my face, calling me jabba. Biggie man, wait don't you get bada. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the bent, the girl them, ride the whip, I no fit, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the bent, the girl them, ride the whip, I no fit, die for nothing. Make you don't say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when you do, they try to destroy me. I can't come and keep myself. Plenty, so far we be face. Just to make sure money day. yeah. But my people then go say I know one die, I know one die, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them, ride the whip, I know. Oh no, I thought now. Yeah, 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 yeah. G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them, ride the whip, I know. Oh no, I thought now. Yeah, 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 yeah. This one I can do with the jabba. Me, I no get time, I did jabba. Dada cover my face, calling me jabba. Biggie man, we don't feel get jabba. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them, ride the whip.
Guys, you know that when the time is like dark and gloomy, it does affect your mood because it's been raining and dark all morning, and it's like we've been finished eating and everything and should be going on the road right now, and we're just here because I guess it's just too, I should say, too sad and depressing.
Plenty suffer we be face just to make sure money. Yeah. But my people